Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create a simple Python calculator using two lines of code. All we have to do just create a variable result is equals to, we are going to use this eval function eval. Now inside this we are going to have the input from the user to enter a math expression. For example, if we say 10 plus 10, it will automatically calculate that mathematical expression value. Now here inside double quotation we can mention a message, enter a math expression. So then we can go ahead and print the result in the second line. Now what I will do, just run this, and I'm going to here I will say 10 plus 10 and then multiply by 2 10 plus 10 multiply by 2, press enter. Now we got 30. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe.